Convenience facilities at Glory Hotel My Dinh. Experience a hassle-free stay at Glory Hotel My Dinh, where convenience is a top priority. With a range of facilities designed to cater to your every need, you'll feel right at home from the moment you step through the doors. For those who prefer to travel light, our laundry service ensures that your clothes are fresh and clean throughout your stay. Whether you need a quick refresh or a full wardrobe overhaul, our dedicated staff will take care of all your laundry needs. Indulge in the comfort and convenience of room service, available at any time of the day. From a hearty breakfast in bed to a late-night snack, our attentive staff will deliver delicious meals right to your doorstep, allowing you to relax and unwind in the privacy of your own room. Our concierge is always ready to assist you with any requests or inquiries you may have. Whether you need recommendations for local attractions, assistance with transportation, or help with booking tickets, our knowledgeable staff will go above and beyond to ensure that your stay is memorable and stress-free. Stay connected with our complimentary Wi-Fi, available in all public areas of the hotel. Whether you need to catch up on work emails or simply browse the internet, you can do so with ease and convenience. For guests who prefer to smoke, we have a designated smoking area where you can enjoy your cigarette without disturbing other guests. We strive to provide a comfortable environment for all our guests, and this designated area ensures that everyone's preferences are respected. In addition to Wi-Fi in public areas, we also offer free Wi-Fi in all rooms. Stay connected and share your travel experiences with friends and family, all from the comfort of your own room. Rest assured that your room will always be kept clean and tidy with our daily housekeeping service. Our dedicated staff will ensure that your room is refreshed and replenished with essential amenities, allowing you to relax and unwind after a long day of exploring the vibrant city of Hanoi.